Hello kids, a very warm welcome to yet another exciting journey of learning phonetics. I hope you are as right as the rain out. Well, I'm excited about today's class. You know why? Well, I'm going to tell you about that later. But first, let's begin with a warming up exercise. Kids, at my count of 1, 2 and 3, you're going to do the pranayama 3 times. Okay? So shall we begin? 1, 2, 3. Now we shall begin the shoulder exercise. Are you all ready? So for this exercise, you are going to touch your fingers to your shoulder, and then you are going to bring your elbows right in front of you and try to turn it clockwise first and then anti-clockwise the second time. Okay? So look at me here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then again anti-clockwise. 1, 2 and 3. So you're going to do this 5 times each. At my count of 1, begin. 1, rotate it anti-clockwise. 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now put your hands down and relax. Again, put your hands back to the position, and this time at my counts of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're going to do it anti-clockwise. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay? Very good. Now again at my count of 1, 2 and 3, you're going to do the pranayama. Are you all ready? Good. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. Now you can sit in a comfortable and relaxed position, and we shall end this activity by clapping. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, children. Students, can you all recall what you learned in the previous class? Well, I'm sure you all remember, don't you? Yes, you all are right. We learned about the short and long vowel sound of the letter A. Yes, do you remember about it? Very good. So can you now tell me, how does the short sound of A sound like? Yes, it is A. And what about the long sound? A, may, right? A. Good. Kids, can you recall the words that we learned related to these sounds? Yes, they were cat, sat, hat, mat. Right? These are the words with a short sound of vowel A. Now let's look at the longer sound. So it was rain, wait, mail, nail, and then cake, bake. And the last one was day and hay. Okay? So, I'm sure you all had understood that really well. Can you guess what is the next letter that we would be learning about? Well, think about it. You are right. I think you should be thinking about the next vowel which is going to be coming after A. Yes, do you remember? Which are the 5 vowels? Come on, one of you give me the answer. Yes, you're right. It's A-E-I-O-U. Very good. Okay. So today we are going to learn about the vowel E. Kids, look here. Who is she? She is Mrs. Smarty. She is our new guest today. Say hello to her. Hello, Miss Smarty. And ta-da! Who is this? E. Now this is also our guest of honor today. Now Mrs. Smarty wants to say hello to E. And let us all of us say hello to E. Hello, E. Hello, E. Yes. So now Mrs. Smarty and E are going to talk to each other. Let's see what are they going to talk about. Hello, Miss Smarty. Hey, hi, E. So, I see that you make a lot of different sounds. You change a lot. Why is that? Well, Mrs. Smarty, I like doing weird things like E. Oh, okay. Well, that's basically the sound of E, isn't it? Well, it sounds like your name E. And your name is really easy to remember. See? Easy. Yes, Mrs. Smarty, you are right. It's an easy name, isn't it? Yes. Is that the very reason that you make that sound? Well, Mrs. Smarty, I look around to see if there is any other vowel with me. Well, like I remember in the word seat. So children, let's see what E has to tell in his story when he was in the word seat. Well, E was very happy to be in the word seat. But this time he was before the letter A. And A was sad. Why was it sad? A said that I am the first alphabet. Then how can you be before me? So that's why A was upset. Now E said, yay! I'm happy that I am before you. So to that, A said, I'm really sad. I'm not going to talk. So that's why in the word seat, you always hear the sound E. You do not hear the sound A. Right? So kids, isn't that interesting? That when in a word there are two vowels together, then the word will pick up the sound of the first vowel. For example, look at this. L, E, A, D. So here in this word, E is before A. E and A both are vowels, and E is a dominant sound. So lead. Isn't that the sound of E? Yes. So this is the first rule when two vowels come together in a word. So kids, this was the conversation between Mrs. Smarty and E. Okay? So now let's continue learning the sounds of E and the related words. Are you all ready? Yes, very good. So first we see that the vowel E has two sounds. Okay? That is a short vowel sound or a short sound, and then it has a long vowel sound, that is the long sound. Now we are going to understand where we are using the short sound in the words. Okay? So to begin with, first word is bet. B-E-T. Now, do you all remember that we learned the sounds of alphabet? Yes. So can you tell me what is the sound of B? Yes. B. E. T. Bet. Okay? So here the short vowel sound of E is E. Can you repeat? E. Repeat one more time. E. Very good. So B. E. T. Bet. Now look at the second word. It is S-E-T. Set. Now how do you say this word? Again, S sound is S. E. T. Set. Right? Now you repeat. S. E. T. Set. Repeat. S. E. T. Set. Very good. Now which is the next word? It is wet. How do you write this word? Wet. Correct? So how do you pronounce this? Wet. Wet. Now you repeat. Wet. Very good. Now look at the next example. It's egg. Egg. Very good. Now you practice the fifth word. What is that? It is let. So how do you write this? Let. So how do you write it? Let. Now can you repeat? Yes? Let. The last word is elephant. So the first letter here has taken the short vowel sound. It's e. Elephant. E. Elephant. Okay? Very good. So students, I hope you have understood the short vowel sound. Now it's time to watch a song.
Short vowel everybody everywhere sing it with me. Short vowel everybody everywhere short vowel
D bed bed egg peg peg hen hen ten ten
everybody everywhere sing it with me. Short vowel everybody everywhere short vowel
net net pen pen web web vet vet
everybody everywhere sing it with me. Short vowel everybody everywhere short vowel everybody everywhere sing it with me. Short vowel everybody everywhere short vowel
bed peg hen ten net pen web.
Kids, I hope you all have enjoyed the song. Did you learn to sing it? I'm sure you would have. Very good. Now, do remember that in the next interaction session, I may ask you to sing the song. So, be ready. Okay? Now, let's continue with the next sound. That is the long sound of the vowel E. Look at the chart. Here, the long vowel E is the same as the letter E. That is E. You just have to drag the sound. It's E. Okay? Now look at this example. N-E-E-D. Need. So here you see that it is E-E-D. Need. Correct? Second one. E-E-D. Seed. Now you repeat. E-E-D. Need. E-E-D. Seed. Can you repeat again? What is the sound? E. That's a long sound. E. And D. Need. All together. Now try this one again. E-E-D. Seed. Students, look at these words. Here you see there are two vowels together. So by the rule, it will take up the sound of the first vowel. Now what is the sound of R? R. E. D. Read. You will have to skip the sound of A. So again, R. E. D. Read. Now try this by yourself. Eat. Seat. Yes. Again. Eat. Seat. Try this. Yes, very good. It is B. E. D. Bead. Try again. B. E. D. Bead. L. E. D. Lead. Try again. L. E. D. Lead. Isn't it easy, kids? So I hope you all have understood the long sound of the vowel E. So now it's time for you all to watch another song.
Long vowel E. Easy, it's so easy to sing with me. Long vowel E, E, E. Easy, it's so easy to sing with me. Long vowel E, E, E. J, E, P. Jeep, Jeep. Eat, feet, feet. Eat, read, read. B, B. Easy, it's so easy to sing with me. Long vowel E, E, E. E, leaf, leaf. S, eat, seat, seat. P, P. T, T. Easy, it's so easy to sing with me. Long vowel E, E, E. Easy, it's so easy to sing with me. Long vowel E, E, E. Jeep, feet, read, B, leaf, seat, T, P.
So kids, I hope you all have enjoyed the song on the long vowel E. Now it's time to recall whatever we have understood. So let's quickly do a recap. Kids, now look at the green board. Here you see there are words in which the vowel is missing. So you are going to fill the vowel in these particular words. Okay? Are you all ready? Good. So here B dash T. What is the vowel that you will put here? Yes, it's going to be E. What is the sound of this E here? It's E. Very good. So it's E, B, E, T, bet. Okay? Next, S, E, T, set. Next, L, E, T, let. L, E, T, let. Now you will have to do these two. Tell me what will come here. Yes, you are right. Here it's going to be V, E, T, wet. Very good. Next, what is this? Yes, tell me. Here what will come? Egg, egg. Yes. So you can write the letter E. R. What sound will come here? And D. What is the word? Can you guess? Yes, you are right. It's read. It's E, A and D. But what is the sound? It's E. So R, E, A, D. Read. Can you check on this? What will come here? Yes, you are right. S, E, A, T. Seat. But what is the sound after S? E. Very nice. So it is S, E, A, T. Seat. Okay? Next. B, E, D. Bead. So we'll fill E, A, D. Bead. What about these two words? Yes. N, E, D. Need. So it is E, and D. Need. Next, S, E, D. Seed. Okay? What is it? Seed. So kids, I hope you all have enjoyed this class of phonetics on the short and long vowel sounds of E. It's time now to say goodbye to Mrs. Smarty and E. E. Okay, so I hope you all stay safe and healthy. Take a great care of your health and study well. Watch the videos with focus and attention and learn well. Until then, you take care. Bye bye. Happy learning.